Welcome back to my kitchen and good cooking. I'm not a big breakfast eater, especially during the week. But on the weekends, having breakfast is kind of a nice leisurely thing to do when I've got time to, to hang out and relax a little bit and to not eat quite so early because I've got no work to go into. So we're going to do a little bit of a breakfast today. We're going to do some buttermilk pancakes with macerated strawberries. Now the strawberries you can leave out if you want to and just do maple syrup, but I like to have fruit with mine in the morning. So we'll be doing some macerated strawberries to top that. It comes out when you're done with it just kind of like syrup. There's a very sweet syrup that goes with the strawberries, so it's a little bit more bright and not as filling or not as heavy, I think, as simple syrup, as maple syrup. So let's jump into the recipe. So to start with, we're going to do the strawberries. Now, if you want to, you can skip this portion if you don't want to do the strawberries. That's up to you. If you just want to go with the maple syrup, be my guest. But for now, I'm just going to quarter about 3/4 of a pound of strawberries. Nice, fresh, beautiful, ripe strawberries. So that I've got my strawberries all nice and quartered, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of just white sugar. We're just going to let these sit. And as these sit, the sugar will start pulling out the juice of the strawberry, making them nice and tender, giving you this nice syrup. We'll put those in here and let those just sit and work their magic. While we're doing that now, we're going to make our batter. And the first thing we need is 2 eggs, 2 cups of buttermilk. And that goes off to the side. Next is our dry ingredients. And the method for the way we're putting this together is going to be the wet dry method. All the dry ingredients in one bowl, all the wet ingredients in another bowl. So for this one, we're using 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt. You want to make sure that's nice and mixed up. So for the wet dry method, the way it works is we now add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. We've got a small well in the center, and we just start to work it in. You don't want to overwork it. You just want to get it to a point where it becomes creamy. There's a little bit of lumps, but a few lumps are fine. Those will basically cook out as we're going. Now the last ingredient is a little bit of vanilla extract. Now I'm doing about a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And there our batter's good to go. So we got a pan on, it's getting hot, set to medium heat. Now if you don't have a stovetop skillet, you can use a cast iron pan, you can use a large saute pan, whatever's easier for you. The skillets are great because they're large, big, flat surfaces. The cast iron works really well for pancakes as well. So we don't want to let this pool. We just want to coat a little bit of butter on there nicely so it's got a very thin sheen on it. When you're doing pancakes, one secret is keep your pan or your container high. So as it pours circles. If you go low, like I did here, it's going to pour like ovals and maybe sometimes squares. So as your pancakes are cooking, you start to look for these bubbles around the outside. And once you start getting the bubbles around the outside, they're good to flip. This one's almost there. Bubbles, bubbles. Just give those a flip. Oh. Beautiful. So the next question I get is, how do you know when they're done? And what you're looking for is that they spring up. when you push them in, they spring back up. If they stay indented a little bit, then let them go a little bit longer. Here's your pancakes. Beautiful stack. So these strawberries have been marinating for about half an hour now, and you can see how beautiful they are. So we're gonna put those right on top. So there you go. So there we have the buttermilk pancakes with macerated strawberries. It's a quick recipe, takes about maybe 10 minutes to put all the ingredients together. The strawberries take about 30 minutes themselves, just to let them sit in the sugar and let that syrup develop. But the pancakes themselves are very quick. You can make the batter in about 5 minutes. You can cook them in about 10 minutes total for, 14 to 16 pancakes is what you get out of that recipe. I would say they're probably roughly 2 ounces each. Let's try them, shall we? I'm making a mess now. I could crush a stack of those on Saturday morning cartoons. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you liked the recipe. If you try the recipe, leave a comment down below on how it came out for you. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye for now and happy cooking.